The speed of centrifugation, measured in RPM or relative centrifugal force, directly affects both the separation time and the effectiveness of separation. Higher speeds create stronger forces, leading to faster and more complete separation of components. Let me explain this with something my students love: race cars. Think of a centrifuge like a NASCAR race. When cars go faster around the track, they experience stronger forces pushing them toward the outside wall. Same thing happens in our centrifuge tubes. At 1000 RPM, it's like driving on a regular highway, things separate slowly. But crank it up to 10,000 RPM, and now we're in Formula 1 territory. The particles are experiencing forces so strong, they practically screaming, "Get out of my way," as they zoom to their respective positions. Just don't tell the principal I'm making race car noises during lab demonstrations. If you're looking for exercises to test your knowledge, there is a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video so far and want to see more content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.